Today I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images in Squarespace. This is essential for making your website more accessible and improving your SEO, as alt text helps search engines understand what your images are about. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites. On the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add alt text to your images. This will open up that specific site's management panel. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This button takes you into the editing mode where you can make changes to your website's content and design. Before we move forward, there's something important you need to know about where alt text can be added in Squarespace. You cannot add alt text to section backgrounds or images within gallery sections. However, you can add alt text to image blocks and images in list sections. This is a limitation of the platform, so keep this in mind as you work through your site. Now let's proceed with adding the alt text. Navigate through your site and find an image block where you want to add alt text. Once you've located the image, click directly on it. When you click the image, you'll see a pencil icon appear. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon to open the image editing options. This will open a panel with various settings for your image. Click on the Content tab if it's not already selected. Now scroll down through the options until you find the field labeled Image Alt Text. This is where you'll input your descriptive text in the Image Alt Text field. Type your alt text. Make sure your description is clear and accurately describes what the image shows. Good alt text should be concise, but descriptive enough for someone who can't see the image to understand what it contains. Once you've finished writing your alt text, click the Save button to apply your changes. Your alt text is now added to that image and will be recognized by screen readers and search engines. And that's it. You've successfully added alt text to an image in Squarespace, making your website more accessible and SEO friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.